What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to render a picture or animation in Blender 2.8. This works for any Blender version once it is Blender 2.8 and higher, but today I will be using Blender 2.9. So yeah, by the way guys, I am using my real voice. I am not tweaking my voice anymore because it didn't sound all that good. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Over here, as you guys can see, you could change your render engine, and then when we come down here, you guys could change your samples in your render view and your viewport, and then you change it back to Eevee, and you could also do the same thing. And then when you go to this tab, you guys could change your render dimensions. It's basically the camera size, if you want it 1920 by 1080, 800 by 800, and the likes and so on. So when you go down here, you could select your output folder for your video or animation. And when you're done, just hit enter and it will save the output folder. And down here, you could select your video or image format if you want PNG, JPEG, FFmpeg, and all sorts of formats. And here we could select our frame rate for our video: 30, 60, 120 frames, 25, 24, any frame rate that you would like. So when you actually want to render your video, you go to the render tab at the top, click on it, and select render image or render animation. And when you select that, this window that's called Blender Render will come up, and as you guys can see there, it has now rendered our image. So you guys could also do the same thing for your animation, and the shortcut for rendering an image is F12, and the shortcut for rendering an animation is Control F12. So yeah guys, that's gonna be all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and many more Blender tutorials to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe.